How to do affiliate marketing without website or YouTube. The method I'm using you can apply to any affiliate program, and this method works worldwide. I'm going to break down this video in 3 parts. First, the website going to pay you money like this every single month, or you get paid in passive income like commission, recurring commission throughout the year. The second, website going to generate content for your affiliate product. The third is a 3 website where you're going to drive free organic traffic for the content. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorials, and if you really like this video, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon next to my subscribe button, and click the like button on the bottom of the video if you really like this video. First, take a look at this website. This website is going to pay you money. So for example here that you can see, if you're able to bring 10 customers, you get paid in $750 straight away into your PayPal account. So if you go a little bit higher, like 45 customers per month, you're gonna gain $4,500 straight away to your PayPal account. And we go a little bit higher, like 80 customers per month, that you can make $10,000 into your bank account, guys. So this is the income that you get paid when you bring customers. But the same website gonna pay you monthly commission, recurring commission, alternative way to that, this one here. So you can go to hybrid section here. Say for example you bring 80 customers, that you can see the commission every single month goes up and up and up, that you can make around $44,000 every 12 months as commission. But this is the first 12 months of your commission is 44,000, but from that next month the commission goes up. For example, that you can see for May 2020 is 2,400, that you can see in June there's a $195 jump, additional commission is added up because their calculation it work like that. So every single month the commission is goes up and up. So the first 12 months you can make 44,000, afterward you can make a little bit more money every single month, guys. So either way you get paid for the customer that you are bringing, or you can go with a passive income method and then you can make a recurring commission. So here I'm going to walk you through what this website and how you can generate contents and how you can get free organic traffic. Again, this is one of the affiliate product I am using for this video. You can use any affiliate product. You can use affiliate product that going to pay you money to bring customer, or the or another type of affiliate product going to pay you money every single month as a recurring commission, guys. So here, this is the website. It's called Cloudways. Cloudways is in a website cloud hosting company. So here that you can see, when you go to this website here, this is the front part of the website. Here you have to go to this one called affiliate page. Here you can sign up for affiliate account, guys. So you can become partner with Cloudways. That you can see here, high paying commissions, earn at your pace, a low customer charm, and dedicated affiliate support. Basically here that you can see performance based slab. It's a slab mean you get paid for the customer that you are bringing. It's instant commission, and you get your money will be in your PayPal account within 1 to 2 working days. But in hybrid section you get paid in, you can see you earn $30 per sales. Whatever the subscription plan they're going, you can earn $30 per sales and 7% lifetime commission, which is recurring commission for life, guys. So I urge you to go with hybrid section because you can earn commission every single month as a recurring commission, guys. So it's a very good plan than they get paid for initial customer sign up, guys. Oh, here that you can see straight away you have to go to this one called here, click start free, and you can register free account with them. After register with a free account with them, your dashboard gonna look like this. Inside Cloudways, these are the companies that do cloud service for that company. So whenever the customers sign up and they join different company, you get paid in different commission. I can show you that here. That you can see here, if you go to affiliate page, that come down to bottom, click hybrid, and here. So for example, with this DigitalOcean 10 customer, you can make around $5,000 every single month. If they go with Amazon, you can get 5,500. If they go with Google, then you can make 5,500, something like that. Or different company pay different amount. So it's up to the customer or not up to you. So when they sign up for an account with Cloudway, they will pick any of those service and you get paid for that, guys. So here inside, what you have to do, you have to click your account. This is your account here. You click this one on your account and it will take you to your account page. Here you have to click this one called affiliate program. Here you have to put the PayPal address inside. If you have a website, you can put the URLs for the website. Otherwise, don't worry. For the commission structure, I recommend you to go with hybrid. Put your phone number here and you can select bloggers. Then you can select what type of traffic that you want to drive, like email marketing, YouTube videos, banner advertisement. I select YouTube videos to let them know, but I don't worry about that. Content marketing, something like that, right? So you can select, I'm going to bring around 10 to 15 customer per month. Click change. After you change that, what you can do, if you go to your dashboard, affiliate dashboard, where you can get affiliate link. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm using this video as an example, but you can go with hundreds of thousands of websites like this one. Gonna pay you recurring commission so you can promote their product. Now we have an affiliate product. The first part is done. The second part is generating content for that. So what I did is the new tool I just made a review in the last video. Go and check it out. This video is about Shortly AI gonna generate articles. AI gonna generate article for you. On here that you can see here, I just put cloud hosting and this entire article is generated for me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do any research. I didn't do anything. I just only click this one, go right for me. That you can see is 2 pages worth of articles, around 1,500 words, guys. So the big articles that you can see, the AI is already done everything for you. They basically give introduction for cloud hosting, then explain what is cloud, and they explain how to set up cloud for that. And you can see they also give an example of a cloud hosting service like Amazon, Cloudflare, CloudBees, Cloud Sigma. So you can see that they already generate an article for you, like a comparison articles. Now what you do, you go to Cloudways. This is the product that you are promoting. You're gonna write a small review like I did on here. I just get this information from their website. I just copy it. Now what I do, I just go to here. This is the articles. I insert my article in number 1, like this one here, and done. Now what you do, I copy this entire articles. This is the 3 websites gonna generate millions of free organic traffic for you. The first one is, go to Google and type what is cloud hosting. This is your main keyword. Then type site, then type colon and put your website like Quora.com, and then you can see these are the people asking about cloud hosting on Quora. That question also ranking on Google. So whenever people search for this, like what is difference between cloud hosting, this question, this entire Quora question will be appear in Google search result, which means it will ranking in SEO, guys. So you can go to this question. There's already 21 answers there, so you can copy and paste your articles on here. So basically you click this one answer and copy and paste these articles and put your affiliate link inside. This is one website. Second website, you're gonna do the same thing. What is cloud hosting and site, and you're gonna put medium.com. Medium.com also in a website there where you can post your free articles. Those articles will be indexed on Google search. So whenever people search for what is cloud hosting, your articles on the Medium will be appear in Google search result. That you can see these are the different articles about cloud hosting on Medium is appearing on Google search result. Now what you do, these are one article example. You can see they wrote about simple articles. Then they said click here. If they try to traffic their own website, On there, they're promoting various of affiliate product. Now you can go to Medium, create a free account, and you can copy and paste the entire article on here. You're gonna insert your affiliate link as the affiliate link that you will get it on here. Now the third one is LinkedIn. Because when you come to SEO or cloud hosting, these are the little bit expensive tools. It's good for the business. So on LinkedIn, there's lots of people like running business are here. So you can post an article, go to your, create a free account with the LinkedIn, and you're gonna click this small write in articles. On here, you're gonna post this article. You're gonna insert the affiliate link. So when people watch or read your articles, they click the link, they sign up, and you get paid for that, guys. Now because I generated articles on Shortly AI, this gives you an excellent idea, because you can see I don't need to promote cloudway.com because of the comparison. They gave me these other services like Amazon Web Service, Cloudflare, Cloudbees, and Cloud 6 months. You can see here this is a Cloudflare account. They also have a partnership program, so I can join with their program and I can put the affiliate link on the title, on the word. I can highlight that and insert the affiliate link inside it, so I can like a comparison articles that people can click any of those services and sign up. I get paid in affiliate commission. I get paid to bring the customer per sales, or I get paid in passive income like a recurring commission. So basic idea of this video: find an affiliate product, then use shortlyai.com to generate articles. Then you copy and paste this article in the website like Quora, Medium, or LinkedIn. So these are the good website for posting articles. So whenever people read these articles, they click and sign up or buy the product, you get paid for that. So if you want to join shortlyai.com, there's a link in my description. Go and check it out. It's a very good tools, and you can generate a good perfect articles for any topic, guys. I hope you understand this video. Again, if you really like this video, subscribe, like this video, and press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.